Welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are. We're at the shop over here at Whipple Performance, and what we're gonna do today is swap that intake. We're trying to see if we can't cover a 12-second quarter mile with the stock tune, since that's all we have to work with. I know, it sucks. But we're gonna put the Mustang GT intake on. We contacted our guys over at Oz Tuning, and we got the adapter plates, the I believe it's SP machining supplies for the throttle body and for the intake manifold to make the normal Mustang and Gen 1, 2, and 3 bolt pattern work on the Gen 4 F-150 Coyote. So we're gonna pop that on and see what happens. And I think it should be enough for us to clear a 12-second quarter. We should be able to squeeze a 12-second quarter out of it. There she goes. I like that truck. That color just does it for me. It really does. All right, here we go. Is that recording? Yeah, it's recording. So we have our adapter plates from Oz Tuning / SP Machining. One of the cool things I like on it is these are labeled. Driver side lower, driver side upper, passenger lower. Comes with the extra hoses, comes with the throttle body adapter, all of the hardware, our gaskets. Now the intake you can order through Oz. This is an intake that I've had since my old truck. So it's kind of sat in the garage. And while yes, I still have the IMRCs on there, it's because it's not a ported intake or anything. Since this truck doesn't have IMRCs, I don't have to worry about locking it out, and I'm just seeing what it gains. Like, could there be a little more gain tidbit if I had like the IMRC lockouts for this, and I had a ported one with the IMRC blades actually removed? Yeah, I'm sure I'd gain a little bit. And also, the one thing that we need with any work being done on a vehicle involving a wrench, have something to drink, because like really, it might be a long day. It should be a quick, easy day, but we'll jump on in this. And I believe there's a full tutorial on Oz Tuning's website that shows the exact, so I'm not going to sit here and waste you guys time too much showing like every bolt and screw being undone and redone. But we'll jump in here and there, and then of course our end result will be the biggest thing for us. But yeah, GT intake, 18 plus GT intake, adapter kit, 2024 truck with a stock tune. Let's see what we get. We're not going to dyno it yet, because I hate dynoing the idea in 4th gear. So until I can really get this thing unlocked, we're just going to test it though. Because I mean, we still have what, the same 103 or 105 speed limiter. We're going to see if this right here, this is what, roughly a $1,300 mod, I believe, for the average guy. If we can add $1,300 to this and run 12s in full street trim. That's our 20-inch wheels, regular tires. We still have the spare in the back, full interior, everything. And this is on a summer day, so we're gonna find out. But right now, let's jump into the install and go from there. Truck life. Creepers. Creepers.
We rolling?
Yep.
Let's start rolling then. What's up? Alright, so we're gonna, smack it up a little bit. You know what I mean? A little fuel in our eyes. Gotta see, I got my cheaters on today. You know what I mean? Fucked around, I found out.
All right, so right here, we're just kind of unbolting everything. We're pulling out the fuel rails and so on. Not really gonna go into too much depth with everything, but yeah, the manifold itself, it came a little bit of a, what do we want to call it? Fun, hassle, as you can see. Actually, it looks like Ford installed the cab after the engine was all put together, so the harnesses that are connected to the back of the manifold were a little bitch to reach. So, but he was able to get it all done. So from there, we just kept it moving, kept pushing.
That goddamn hill, ain't it?
Yeah, she a lot taller. She a lot taller.
So we gotta switch the maps over. Okay.
Well, oh, it's a different connector type.
Yep. The old map.
Gen 3 and Gen 4 map different, huh?
Yep.
That from Signature Speed down in the Carolinas.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's the 18 manifold from when it first came out. So I think they had it at a good price. I think it was like $250 back then. Back in 2018. That was before everybody realized that it was a performance manifold and it was the go-to. Then the price started jacking up. Yeah, man, that's woo. It's old school. Old school. Manifolds are damn. It's 2024. 6 years old. Mm-hmm. And still about to put in some work. Get us in the 12s. I mean, we were 13.1. Do you think that it'll be enough to get us in the 12s with the same speed limiter?
13.1.
We were 13.1. We were hitting the speed limiter just after the 1,000 foot. Just after like at the 1,000 foot, we were like 97 or 98 miles an hour.
I mean, it's gonna get there soon. It'll probably die out sooner, but
yeah, I know I figured we'd hit it a little.
Should be able to coast through there and do a 12.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it should be able to squeeze a 1290.
Comparison and hold the hole.
Oh, this one should be bigger. I mean, it's a bigger throttle body, so it should be a little bigger. Oh, that's visibly. I mean, we can get tape measuring, but that's definitely visibly.
Tape measure?
Well, my eyes are just
We're gonna
old.
do this right there, my friend.
Oh, you got the little micron and thingy. Boy got tools. Oh, it was already over
You
here.
want it in millimeters?
Whatever it seemed like. I guess millimeters are the easiest.
Yeah, because that's what throttle bodies usually measure it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be what 85 or 87,
90.
Alright, so the opening's a 90. Yeah, 86. Yeah, so she little.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna get a little less air in her, but we're gonna do more with it. That's the plan.
That's right.
That's the plan.
Now let's see. Has anybody put this on yet?
On the 21 to 23s. Well, I think what's the name truck? They had to have done it because the bolt pattern's different.
Cool.
The truck that you did down at the old shop.
But I'm talking about 24.
Oh, no. I haven't seen any on the 24 yet. Oh,
So you never seen this on the 24 yet?
no.
So the reason why I'm asking is we need to make sure over here ain't gonna be no problemos before we go any further.
So that's the stands for the fuel injectors.
Yeah, so we gotta, these are shorter compared to the other ones.
Oh, okay.
About half an inch or so shorter.
And IMRC lockouts. Pretty full kit.
Pretty nice there.
Pretty good kit there. Pretty good kit. Very thought through. Get a little lubricant on there, huh? Oh, so you ain't doing it like they're doing on the internet. You ain't giving it that hot tui.
Nah.
You ain't giving it that hot tui.
That chick got us all beat. Got a hot to that thing. Oh, really? Like my man Mike Epps said, I'm trying to remember. All right, we all lubed up. So the gasket will slide nice versus getting caught up in our surface.
Girls just trying to teach these women what to do.
Basically.
Keep them right. Keep them right.
That's it. Need a little schooling here and there, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Girl had to tell them. Now she went viral. I seen that being. She everywhere too.
Oh yeah. She preaching the gospel.
Yeah.
That's the gospel right there.
Now everybody want to jump on the bandwagon with that.
See, that's what that middle seat coming up for that hot tui, you know.
Hot tui. That being. All right. Now our surfaces are clean. And we can go ahead and slam the plates. They're labeled. Driver's lower. Passenger lower. PL. I mean, whoop-de-whoop. Oh, did you actually tell these people these nice and CNC ported? Yeah, see that CNC porter ain't no hand job. You know what I mean? She ain't no hand job. You know what I mean?
Well, this part became a little bit of a fun. So, I don't know if this is the difference between the 21 to 23 versus the 24, but apparently using the PMAS cold air is a bit of a pinch because apparently with the throttle body adapter, we add 2 inches forward roughly. So now we're kind of rubbing into, what do you call it, the reservoir tank for the engine coolant. So our guy had to massage it a little bit, made it a little form-fitting. It's still kind of close to rubs, but it's a little more form-fitting so it all fits now, the cold air intake. Perhaps there's a different cold air intake that they sell for this mod. I'm not sure. I just used what I had existing already, so I'm cheap. So I use whatever's still sitting in my garage if I can. But that's the only issue that we ran into with this. Otherwise, everything was pretty smooth and good to go.
All right, we're all finished up here. Camera's still rolling, but yeah. I believe this is the first 2024 F-150 with an 18-up GT manifold. So let's see. We're gonna see how she does. What are you guys' thoughts? What do you think she'll run? I mean, you saw before 13, what was it, 13.1 on E30 and 1320, I believe, on 93. So if I'm wrong, I'll repost either way. So what are your thoughts she'll run now? This should be an easy 30 to 40 horsepower bolt on, even within the RPM that the stock ECU calibration is doing. So let's see. The man of the hour,
Yeah, that's me.
always doing magic.
Magic man.
Let's see, let's see. There she go. Well, unfortunately, our video kind of concludes right here. We have a heat wave that closed out our tracks for the weekend, so I couldn't test it. And we had thunder showers last night that prevented me from testing it on the street. So next video, we'll probably have the test results, but for now, this is what you got. Give us an idea of what you think it'll run. I'm thinking 1290. We should be able to squeeze a 1290. I mean, because we're mile per hour limited, but I think we can get it. Now the question is, will we be able to get it on 93? E30, I feel confident. 93, I don't know. We'll see though. You guys put your results in, your guesses in. In the meantime, if you like the content, make sure you like, share, subscribe. BoostedF150.com is how you help support the channel, as well as your like, share, subscribes. Get a t-shirt. Get your girl a t-shirt. Get a mug. Get a hat. It's hot. Definitely need a hat to cover your head, especially if you got a bald head like me. But yeah, this is Boosted F150 out.